gonna get that Amazon container. I'm gonna get this Amazon container. What's up? Oh, now you wanna leave? Oh, now you wanna leave, huh, motherfucker? Now you wanna leave, huh? This guy right here from Hub Group, he doesn't want to leave. I gotta pick up this container right here. This one right here. You got it? You got it? Come on, I'm gonna go report you right now. I gotta get this container right here. This guy doesn't want to leave. I'm gonna contact Hub Group, so they're gonna school you. Hey, take more pictures, come on. That's a badass truck, huh? Go on, take more pictures. That's a badass truck, huh? You like my truck? It's nice, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna call Hub Group right now. Yeah. You don't wanna leave, so I could get my container right here. See everything you're causing. Everything you're causing.
Turn off, Andy. Okay, I report you officer, okay?
I don't know what's wrong with this guy, man.
You know, okay, can you turn off?
He's a company driver, and he acts this way.
Yeah.
Imagine if he was the owner of. So what do I do now? Because he said he's gonna report me with Union Pacific. That's why I have the video on, because he's coming back again. Come on, man. Now what?
He's right.
Do I gotta make a report or no? I don't want this to come back to me, you know, but yeah. All right, man. Thanks for your help. Let's see if he moves. This freaking guy, watch him move now. See, now he's gonna move. He has to move now because Union Pacific told him to move. Come on, let's go. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? All that talking for nothing. All that talking for nothing. That's right.